one exam costs the families who take this exam the same amount of money as our entire education budget. So please think, the government of India, after collecting all the taxes, spends money on the future of our children. That money goes into something called the education budget. It is 1.4 lakh crores. At the same time, every year, 1.32 lakh crore, similar amount, is spent by the families who have taken the NEET exam. So please understand the scale of this thing. This is pure theft from these families. There's nothing else. And then after you steal from them, you tell them that there's a paper leak, the thing is rigged. So this is the second reason, and legitimate reason, why our youngsters are outside. But there's a more fundamental reason. And that reason is this: that even after you have an education, you become what your country and your government owes you. You learn something, you're suddenly told that the doors that should be open to you, what your country and your government owes you, a livelihood, a job, is closed. So, manufacturing is closed. So, young person who wants to be an entrepreneur cannot. Corporate job, AI is destroying it. The IT sector, public sector has been privatized. So what is the choice? The only choice they have is a sarkari job. So you give them one door, you close all the doors, then you rig that system and make it unbelievably expensive. And then you expect they won't be outside. Which world are you living in? So we are 100% in agreement with what every single student is feeling, what every single student is doing. And there must be some consequences to what has been done some days ago. It is not their fault. And so they have some demands. What are their demands? The first demand, completely legitimate demand, is that Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, who has failed as an education minister, who is known to be corrupt, should be relieved of his duties. 100% legitimate demand, nothing wrong with it. He has shown India and the world that he is incapable of running this system. Exam leaks are happening one after the other. So this is a completely legitimate demand. Second demand, every single person who raised a finger on our students, and it doesn't matter who he is, the people who ordered it and the people who executed it, should be made accountable. And the third thing is that the man who is running this entire system, the man who is finally accountable to all this, should have the decency to apologize to the students for what has happened. These are not complicated things. These are not difficult things. This gentleman, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, has literally destroyed India's biggest asset. what used to be called our success, what used to be called the best thing India has, our education system, has been wiped out. And so we fully support these demands, and we fully support every single student who is on the streets. Thank you.
अब कुछ सवाल जवाब
हिंदी में कर दूं? हिंदी में कर देता हूं. कुछ दिनों से देश के स्टूडेंट्स एजिटेशन कर रहे हैं, गुस्से में हैं, पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं. इसके कारण है, पहला कारण, जो हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, जो पूरी दुनिया में मशहूर हुआ करता था एज ए ग्रेट एजुकेशन सिस्टम, वो अब रिग्ड एजुकेशन सिस्टम है. कितना रिग्ड है वो किसी को नहीं मालूम. सुपरफिशियली दिख रहा है कि 152 पेपर लीक हुए हैं पिछले 10 साल में. सच्चाई नहीं मालूम, क्योंकि ये 300 भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी बार पेपर लीक हो गया, किसी को पता भी नहीं लगा होगा, वो भी हो सकता है. बट जो हमें मालूम है 152 152 पेपर लीक हुए हैं. स्टूडेंट तैयारी करते हैं, मेहनत करते हैं 8-8 10-10 घंटे 3-4-5 साल के लिए, और फिर लास्ट मिनट उन्हें बताया जाता है, देखिए जिनके पास पैसा है, 40 लाख रुपए जिनके पास हैं, 50 लाख रुपए जिनके पास हैं, वो पेपर खरीद सकते हैं.